If you want to stop X, formerly Twitter, from using your activity to personalize the ads you see, this video will walk you through the full process on desktop in a simple, beginner-friendly way. We're going to go step by step so you can quickly find the right setting, turn it off, and take a little more control over your privacy and ad experience on X.com. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to X.com, then sign into your account. Once you're on your X homepage, look at the left-hand navigation panel. You'll see the main menu options there. And what you want to click is More. This is the button with the 3 dots, and it opens up additional settings and tools that are not shown in the main sidebar. After you click More, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps account controls, safety options, and personalization settings. If you've never explored this section before, don't worry, we're going to go to the exact place where the ad personalization setting lives. Now that you're inside Settings and Privacy, look for Privacy and Safety. Click that option to open the privacy-related controls for your account. X organizes this area into categories, so if you don't see the right setting immediately, take a moment and scroll carefully through the available options. On the next screen, you'll need to scroll down the right-hand side until you find a section called Data Sharing and Personalization. This section controls how X uses your activity and data to personalize content and ads. Once you find it, click Ad Preferences. Inside Ad Preferences, look for the setting labeled Personalized Ads. This is the important one. If the box is checked, X is allowed to personalize the ads you see based on your activity and interests. To disable it, simply uncheck that box. Once it's turned off, X will stop using that personalization setting for your ad experience. And that's it. You've just disabled personalized ads on X.com using the desktop interface. It only takes a minute once you know where to go, but the settings are a little buried, which is why this guide can save you time. If you want to keep your online privacy settings organized, I also recommend reviewing other ad and data options inside the same privacy and safety area. You may find additional controls related to ad topics, tracking, and personalization, depending on your account and region. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more clear, easy-to-follow tutorials. I post helpful tech guides like this all the time, and subscribing is the best way to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.